We have yet another great way to use a rotisserie chicken. Make a delicious baked chicken pocket. Nettie Frank brings us this great everyday recipe, and you call this a go-to dinner idea for those after Costco days.
Absolutely.
Yes?
Absolutely, yes. And it's that when the kids are sitting down at the table and they're doing their homework and you're like, okay, it's before dance, all this stuff, let's hurry and do this. Usually my rotisserie chicken that I grab from Costco, I can get 3 meals out of it. I'll make enchiladas, I'll do chicken noodle soup, and I'll make chicken croquettes. And this is a dish that I was raised on, so it's kind of one of those, you kind of go back to, like, you fall back into what mom made.
Totally.
You know what I mean?
Comfort.
So, but I feel like nobody's cooking. So guess what? We got to start cooking.
We are today. Do you buy the deboned chicken? Or?
Oh, no, get down in there.
Okay, all right. You want it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So you want to use, like, the leg meat and stuff. Usually, I always have these. They're medical gloves, but I throw them on because some people don't like the feel of it. But anyways, it doesn't bother me.
Okay.
You get in there, there's the breast, meat and stuff like that, and the wings, and then the leg and thigh meat is the dark meat. You can throw that one in your soup or enchiladas, you know, stuff like that.
I call this a chicken pocket. You call it a chicken
croquette.
Croquettes. Okay. What goes into this?
We have sautéed here onions, celery, and carrots. That's kind of your mirepoix. It's for your base for soups and sauces and stocks. So we were going to throw some carrots in there.
I love watching a chef work the knife.
Whenever you're cutting, knuckles to the blade, knuckles to the blade. So we're going to throw in.
I try to pretend I'm you. You chefs in the kitchen, right? I'm never quite as quick or slick, but that in my mind is what I aspire to look like.
You've got it.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're going to just saute that, and then we're going to add a little bit of rotisserie chicken.
There it comes.
There it is.
And 3 meals, huh? You get 3 meals out of that one bite.
I get 3 meals.
Awesome.
And I'm saying like full size. I mean, I'm a family of 4, but it'll feed a family of 6.
Okay.
Easy. So yeah, we saute that in there until they're nice and caramelized. We add some cream cheese because we always have that in.
Here it comes.
Right, store.
And what are we wrapping around this
We are wrapping around, you know, you can use anything, but I'm using Pillsbury croissants.
Okay.
So really all you have to do is just get like a little scoopful in here, right? Here we go. And then we're gonna do like a pyramid type of thing.
Okay.
So this is where the kids get involved. Get them in the kitchen.
And you're a big proponent of that. Get the kids busy, helping mom, helping dinner.
Yeah, you know what? My kids even start teaching them knife skills. Start with the butter knife, move on to the paring knife, and then my 10-year-old's onto the chef knife already.
Nice.
So anyways, we roll these up. The kids can make fun little designs with it if they want, however they want to.
Okay.
And here it comes out of the oven nicely.
Bake for 10, 15 minutes?
Well, 18. Okay. 18 minutes. Okay. We're good. And then you can serve it with a nice veggie rice if you want. Add those veggies, sneak them in.
Yeah, this is a good way for moms to work in those that extra green power. Any tricks to the rice? I
always saute the rice and I rinse the rice before. So I rinse the rice and then I saute it with the onions and carrots and then I add the stock.
Okay.
And it just makes it like caramelized and gives a better flavor.
Kind of
it's really great.
In all the flavors.
It's so great.
And then, I'm seeing a cheese sauce.
Oh my
which
gosh.
All dinner is complete when a cheese sauce is involved, right?
Now this is easy cheese sauce. It's a little butter. It's a little green onion.
Okay.
It's cheese, heavy cream. Nothing that you know.
Nothing that we can't work off later.
You know, the kids, you know, dance, soccer, they're working this stuff off.
Sure.
So now we're just gonna kind of drizzle this.
Here it comes, the finishing touch
of that. And asparagus.
Look at the wrist. There's the drizzle.
I know, right? Even with the fun whisk that my kids use. So anyways, you can do any kind of veggie. Roast asparagus for about 10 minutes at 400 with a little salt and pepper, olive oil, and you've got dinner done, honestly, within 25 minutes. You're good to go.
I was going to say, somehow you've done it. An awesome looking dinner, plated and finished in less than 30 minutes.
Yeah, have the kids help you, you know, set the table and whatnot. But yeah, you got this. So dinner.
This will be one I'm trying at my house for sure. And as always, you recommend heading out for dessert.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Head on out to my bakery, Beyond Glaze Bakery in Draper. Beyond Glaze Bakery. So we have croissants, donuts, turnovers. Oh my gosh, we're making so much desserts these days. I'm like, I can't keep up with myself.
She's got us covered on both ends. Dinner at home and then desserts out for the night. Thank you so much, Nettie.
Thanks for having me.
Look for this recipe on our website, studio5.ksl.com.